crazy when you're in the car, you hear your song, you're ready to turn it. It's crazy when you're in the car, you hear your song, you're ready to turn it. What to do? You know what? I have an idea. I ordered this remote. This remote control has the power to pause anybody. Oh, even better, mute them too. Alright, let's get onto it. Pause. Oh my goodness. Oh, it works. Yo, this remote is so powerful. It works. It works so good. The power of the remote control. Whoa. You can, oh no. You can unpause and you can rewind and change, you know what, audio too. You can turn it off and on. Oh, you were sitting on my bed, laying down. Let me just raise him up. Whoa. Brandon, what are you doing? Give me that remote. No, I will not give you that remote. It's my remote. I have the power. It is my remote. I dare you, come after me. Wait, I want to say something else. I dare you, come here. Wait, you can't talk. Mute. Oh my goodness. This remote can mute anybody. I don't want to fast forward. I don't know what happened. Oh, I can change the volume. Oh, wow. It's gonna be so funny. Unmute. Hi, you know what? Let's do something funny. High volume. High volume. Hello. Oh my God, Brandon. What did you do to my voice? My voice is so high. Come on, give me that remote. Give me that remote. No. Oh, that's so funny. That is so funny. Oh, low voice. See what that does. Yo, it's so low. Oh, I want my voice back to normal. Oh, give me that remote. I got it. Let go. No, never. I will not give you that remote. Oh, this is not good. Dude, you broke the remote control. Dude, you broke the remote control. How could you? Now, everything's back to normal. Alright guys, thank you for watching. And guys, hope you guys enjoyed that skit. This is the power of the remote control. Guys, imagine being controlled by a remote control like a TV. That'd be crazy. Imagine you can pause somebody. Imagine you can pause, rewind. You can change, you can hit mute, turn off. That'd be cool. Guys, comment down below. Guys, please comment down below. What would you do with the power of the remote control? Alright, guys. Don't forget to stay cool, stay safe, and so sorry no video yesterday. I was too busy. No give me video yesterday, but this Sunday, give me video. Alright? Don't forget to stay cool, stay safe. See you next time. Bye.